Hey, gun people, horse people, little fix-it project. So everyone knows my flagpole broke, and a lot of people thought it was because I shot it with a bullet. Where's that damn bullet hole? It's around there somewhere. But that's not where it failed. It failed, if you notice at the front of this, it's got this like telescopic, so it kind of like goes down smaller. Well, that small piece broke off right there at the top. And so what I ended up doing is putting a pipe cutter up there where it broke off, and I cut this off because it had a smaller cone here. I just cut this off, and then the part that broke off I end up filing down so it would fit. Instead of all the way in, it's only going half of the way in. So in order to make it stronger, I got this Schedule 40 PVC pipe that I'm going to slide in the middle of it and then maybe put a screw. So so to get this straight, I cut this off. That was there. This piece was here. It broke. I cut that off. I put this piece halfway up so it's this deep. Since it's only going to have half the distance in here that it normally would have, this PVC pipe 40 gauge is going to go in there. I measured it, and now I'm going to put this down here. And I must have measured it wrong, because that should be solid. Stupid measuring tape. There is dirt down in here, and I can remove some of that because they filled it up with sand. So it's pretty solid. I think with this in the middle it should go okay. It should be going all the way down. What's going on here? I'm going to go put some oil on here, because measuring this, it looks like it should be down. So I'll be back. Okay, so what I had to end up doing is it was just too tight at the bottom, so I climbed up on this ladder, took this rubber mallet and just banged it down. Now I got to hook this back up on there without falling off. Voila! My flagpole's back in business, baby! I was looking at getting a new flagpole still. They wanted 3,000 bucks to come out here and put me in a flagpole. A 30 footer. I think this is a 25 footer. So let me go put a flag on that sucker since it ain't been flying for a while. Alright! I ain't had my flag up in a while. Everybody's always missing on my videos. We never see your flag anymore. Well, I got a nice flag up there. Blowing in the wind freely. Without restriction. Freedom. And my flagpole is fixed. I love it when a plan comes together. Thanks for Pat for the idea on how to do this. I improved his idea, but he gave me the idea that I should just try and fix this instead of a new one, which worked out pretty stinking good. So that's repairing my flagpole. Now we'll see if it lasts for the wind. You can tell that it's pretty, the seam there is pretty solid. So hopefully it'll work. Now somebody suggested, you guys tell me in the comments, Pat said I should put a screw at the top and the bottom to make it more secure. I'm thinking if I drill a hole and put a screw, I'm going to weaken it. What do you guys think? Should I put a screw like right through the pipe in order, like this is the pipe, I should put a screw through it on the top part and the bottom part in the middle of the seam there. One up here and one up here. Would that make it stronger? I'm not sure it would. I think the PVC made it stronger. But alright, we'll end that there. Fixing my flagpole.